everyone, this is worksheet 3-2 for the class Discovering Pre-Algebra Part 1. If you're in this class, you know the drill. The answers are up on the board. If you're not in this class but you would like to be, there'll be a link to my profile below. All right, so some of this I'm not going to go through because it's kind of self-explanatory. 1 through 6, you can see it's just talking about our fundamental quantities, how we move the decimal on the metric system, and then number 13 is just those units. I'm only going to do 7 through 12. So you know the drill, pause, grade, and then come back and I'm going to explain how to do 7 through 12. All right, I'm going to assume that you've paused and let's zoom in and take a look at what this says. Okay. So 7 through 12. In 7 it says how many centimeters are in 12 millimeters. Well, remember your King Henry died, I don't know what happened to the color of my pen, by drinking chocolate milk. All right, we're starting at 12 millimeters. So right here, this is milli, and the base is in meters. So I start right here, not here at the base, but here at milli, okay? And I'm going to go to centimeters, which is right here. So I'm moving to the left, and I'm moving 1 decimal place, because I only have to go 1 to get to centi. So 1 place, there we go. The answer is 1.2 centimeters. All right. So for the next one, it says how many meters are 1,250 centimeters. Well, this time I'm starting at centimeters, and I have 1,250, okay? And I'm going to the left again, all the way to meters, which is at the base. The bases are liters, meters, and grams, and it's going to take me 2 jumps to get there. So let me put my decimal place at the end, and I'm going to move 2. Just a reminder of why this works. It's because the metric system uses the same factor as our decimal system, which is a factor of 10. Each place is moving it a factor of 10. So I just moved it so that now I have a 100th place. I have a tens, a ones, a tenth, and a 100th place. All right, so it's 12.50 or 12.5 if you drop that 0 at the end, meters. All right, next one. All right, so how many kilometers are there in 5,400 meters? So this time I'm starting at meters, which is at the base, and I have 5,400 meters, and I have to go all the way to kilo, which is at King Henry, so King. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 jumps to the left. So I start right here. I go 1, 2, 3 jumps. Okay, so it's changing it by a factor of 1,000 because I moved it 3 places. That means I'm the thousands. So now I have a decimal that goes out to the thousands. So, oh my, 1, 2, 3. I didn't move it enough when I gave this answer. Either that or sometimes what happens is my dot disappears. It should have been 5.4 kilometers, or you could have said 5.400, which gives you that thousandths place that you should have because you moved it 3 places. That's like moving it, dividing by 1,000. All right, so the next one says how many milligrams, so we're going to milligrams, is 5,000, is 5 grams. So I'm right here now. And this is the first one we're doing where we're moving to the right because I have to go all the way to here. And that's going to take me 1, 2, 3 jumps to get to milli. So my decimal's right here, and I'm going to have to go 1, 2, 3. Well, this means I need to fill it in with zeros. So this is going to be 5,000 milligrams, okay? All right, the next one says how many grams are in 12 kilograms. So this time I'm all the way at King in my little mnemonic device. And I got to go all the way to grams, which is right here at the base. I'm going there. So that's 1, 2, 3 jump. that's like timesing by 1,000 because I have to jump to the right. So my decimal points here, 1, 2, 3, which is the same thing I would get if I times by 1,000, 12,000. Okay, if I times 12 by 1,000, it'd be 12,000. All right, very good, very good, very good. One last one, and this video will be done. And the last one says, how many deciliters are in 4.2 hectoliters? Hecto is right here, and deci, don't get it confused with this D. This is DA, and deca for deca, but the abbreviation's DA. This one's just a D for deci, and so I'm moving the decimal place 1, 2, 3 places to get to here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. 2 zeros. So it's going to be 4,200. All right, so keep doing this until you get it. If you need more help, just let me know, and I will see you guys in class. Keep learning, keep discovering.